right, today is day 3. We are still working on farms.
We got our Callie girl. So
Our
sweet.
Callie the cow. She's so cute. All right, so you should have your board. You might want to use your dry erase marker. Then you should have a bag with a die. It's not dice. There's only one. And what are we going to feed our chicks?
We're going to feed them some corn.
All right. First thing we're going to do, let's just count the chicks.
Yep.
Let's see how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have more than one. What is it called?
A flock.
That is a flock. We have Mr. Farmer over here. He's getting ready to feed all the chicks so that they can grow nice and big. We have our die. Our goal is to roll the die and see how much these chicks are going to get. Ooh.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3. Wah, wah.
Man.
All right. There you go, guys. Have fun. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you want to add on to this, you can use your dry erase marker and you can write the numbers, or you can also just give it the dots if you're not sure, okay? We only have 3 kernels. I think I'm gonna give it to this one, and this little guy over here.
Oh, yeah,
Those
needs
are the
some
only
more.
ones that are gonna get fed today.
Yep.
Sorry.
That's it.
Womp womp. All right, once you do that, just move it, erase, and let's try again. Let's see what we have. Boop, boop, boop. All right. Hopefully more of you chicks can be fed. Oh, we got 3 again. I'm gonna roll it again.
What?
Wow, that is 3 threes in a row. I cannot do it again. Okay, there you go.
Whew.
How many we have? We have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you're ready. Write your numbers or do the dots. Or also see who you're going to give it to. All right, I've got 1, 2, let's do 3, 4, and let's give it to this guy. 5. All right, they still haven't all been fed.
Nope.
Womp, womp, womp. All right, you guys can keep playing this over and over and over as much as you want. But when you are ready, I'm going to show you something different. All right, you ready? We're going to start some addition. All right, roll your die. Whoa! Sorry, Miss Rachel.
That's all right. Land it on
okay.
1.
1.
1 single dot.
All right, put it on your board.
There you go.
1. Roll it again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we did 1 and we did 4. Okay, we put a little plus sign there. What does that mean? It means we're gonna add these all together. All right, so we have 1, we have 4. How many did that give us?
That will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got it. All right, so you can do addition. There's so many things you can do with this board. You can continue to do addition on this. Here is another alternative. You ready?
Let's see it.
Count out and put on your board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put more than 6, okay? But however many you want to go up to, okay, you can put on your board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go 9, 10. I'm going to just do 10 for right now. You have all of these kernels, so you can go as high as you want, okay? So how many did I say I have on there?
10.
10. All right. I have 10. What happens when I do this?
That means minus or take away.
All right. Question is, how much are we going to take away? So I put 10 on my board. Let's roll the die and see.
3.
1, 2, 3. So we are going to take away 3. So we had 10, right? And we're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left?
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right. So we only have 7 left. All right. So you're getting a little bit of subtraction here too. If your child is just on the number recognition, don't go here yet.
Yep.
Put this away for a rainy day, and you just work on number recognition. Roll that die, put the amount on, and work on just making the dots, counting to 3, maybe drawing your kernels to the 3, and then erasing it and starting over, okay? This board can be built upon, so when you're ready for the subtraction, go for it. Until then, erase your board, put your kernels back in your bag, put your die back in the bag, use it for a rainy day. Hopefully you put all these back in from day 2.
Yeah, right.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. See you tomorrow. Bye.